Tired of manually entering the same data over and over in Excel? Ready to supercharge your productivity? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the magical world of Autofill. Let's transform you from a data entry drone to an Excel efficiency expert. Autofill is Excel's secret weapon for saving you countless hours. It's like having a tiny robot assistant that fills in your data automatically. Think of it as your personal data magician. Let's start with the basics. Enter a series of data, like numbers or days of the week. Select the cells. Hover over the small square at the bottom right corner, the fill handle, and drag down. Voila! Your data is automatically filled. Autofill can be even smarter. Create your own custom series. For example, type Jan, Feb, and Mar in 3 cells. Drag the fill handle and watch as Autofill completes the entire year. Introducing Flash Fill, Excel's mind reader. Enter a few examples of how you want your data to look, and Flash Fill will automatically fill the rest. It's like magic. Here are some pro tips to maximize your autofill powers. Fill handles can be dragged horizontally or vertically. Use the Fill Options button for more control. Combine autofill with other Excel functions for powerful results. You've now unlocked the power of autofill. Say goodbye to tedious data entry and hello to increased productivity. Experiment, explore, and watch your Excel skills soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel magic.